Hello, I'm Kaylee,
And I'm Miriam.
and we are here today with the focus on character. The other day, we talked about the importance of making eye contact when someone is talking to you or when you are talking to them. Today, we are going to talk about how you respectfully respond to someone when they have asked you a question. When responding to any adult who has asked you a question, you are to look at them and say in a respectful tone, "Yes, ma'am," "No, sir," or "Yes" and the person's last name, or "No" and the person's last name. For some people, this is much easier than others because in some families and cultures, this is already expected. So, why is it important? Well, answering with "yes, sir," or "no, ma'am," or "yes" and "no" in the person's last name, such as "yes, Mr. Smith" or "no, Mr. Smith," shows respect. This is also a great habit to get into when talking to adults or people outside of school.
There was a group of students who were hoping to get into a high ranking junior high school in Harlem. There were many students from all over the city applying. Those interested students had to not only apply but to be interviewed as well. 12 students had a teacher when they were in 5th grade by the name of Mr. Clark who only let them to answer to any adult in the school with "yes, sir" or "no, sir," and "yes, ma'am" or "no, ma'am." A week later, Mr. Clark found out all 12 of his students were accepted to the junior high school. Later that week, the admissions director of junior high called and told Mr. Clark that one of the main reasons his students did so well over all the other students that applied was because of their politeness and the way they showed respect during their interview. So, learning to answer people in authority with respect is a life lesson, which means it will help you for the rest of your life, not just only when you're in school. Take a few minutes to discuss this in your classroom, and we'll be back with more focus on respect. And remember, make it a great day or not.